My name is Sage King, and I'm here today with my teammates Giselle Zatonyl, Angie Spears, and Chelsea Church to tell you about our new app, Pentimento. We all live in New York City, which is of course home to one of the world's most diverse and vibrant street art scenes. And street art is inherently and uniquely dynamic. A painting in a gallery will be the same from week to week, but a mural can change entirely in a day or even an hour. And that's one of the great strengths of the medium, its ability to evolve. However, the price we've always paid for this is the eventual and permanent loss of all of this art, either to painting over, to intentional removal, or even just general wear and tear. And that's where Pentimento comes in. Pentimento is defined as a visible trace of an earlier artwork beneath a layer or layers of paint on a canvas. And that's exactly what we hope to create with this app. A trace of an artwork as it once was, and a communal record of the art around us that we can all contribute to and hopefully return to for many years to come. And now my teammate Angie is going to walk us through a little bit more behind the inspiration of our app and the typical user story.
Hello everyone, I'm Angie, another member of the team who created Pentimento. I wanted to talk to you more about a motivation behind creating Pentimento. We created this app with the intention to give art enthusiasts the ability to record a street art experience here in the city and actually share with other people so that they actually enjoy it as well. Enjoy this street art as well before it's no longer there. Take for example my friend Giselle. She actually had seen amazing street art that she wanted to share with friends a few weeks back. And a week later, the street art wasn't there anymore. She wasn't able to actually share it with friends because there was something else replacing that. We wanted to actually give users like yourself the ability to actually share their art with other people in general so that they would actually enjoy it as well. We created this app to allow users to add an art, record their art, edit it, update it later, add more to it, and at the same time allow so many users to actually enjoy their street artwork. Now I'm going to pass it down to Giselle herself so she's able to actually share more details about the stack that we use to create this application. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Angie. I'm Giselle, and I'm going to walk you through our tech stack. We'll begin with the backend, where we have built an Express server using custom middleware. Our object relational mapper Sequelize allows us to eagerly load supplemental data on our API calls to our highly relational PostgreSQL database. For example, location and hashtags on our request for artworks. One of our most interesting features is the map, which we have built using Mapbox.gl API. We're utilizing their highly customizable styles, their methods for visualizing data, and commutable parts like markers, filters, and the geocoder search bars. We've set up the map fragments as a series of modularized React components, taking advantage of the virtual DOM and truthfully pleasurable developer experience. React's local state property lends a hand in managing the map's complex state, which is largely handled using Redux, in conjunction with the browser's built-in local storage, which we're using in order to avoid storing user location on our database. Lastly, I want to tell you about our plans for the future, namely the implementation of a time slider, which would allow users to track the history of the existence of street art through different neighborhoods over time. Now Chelsea will tell you about our process. Take it away, Chelsea.
Thanks so much, Giselle. I'm Chelsea, and I'm really excited to share a little bit about our project management with you. Of course, working remotely can present a number of challenges when developing a product together. So a commitment to strong and really constant communication was paramount for our ability to accomplish the goals that we mapped out at the start of this process. Using platforms like Slack, Trello, and Zoom really allowed us to coordinate and screen share and resolve blockers as quickly as possible. We also found doing a daily stand-up to be an invaluable part of our development process. During this time, we were able to quickly assign tasks based on our individual interests and strengths, as well as to identify features of our app which might require different programming approaches to execute. Lastly, I just want to say that we really all had an incredible time designing and building this app together, and we hope that you'll check out our website, our LinkedIns, and our GitHubs, which are linked on the screen. And we're really excited for you to explore some street art with us using Pentimento.